So OBS 32 has been out a couple of weeks, and I've tried to use it. The first major thing that happened was that some of my older plugins would not work. And I had to uninstall a whole bunch of plugins. I don't know what happened with it, but when I was reading the change log on it, it said it made a whole bunch of improvements to just to like a lot of things like the NVIDIA RTX voice thing that people are using. It also is going to change the way plugins are handled. It now has a plugin manager that you can actually click on tools and disable plugins. It looks like it's going to have a feature maybe coming up that where you can actually update the plugins. So that's a cool feature. Some of the NVIDIA stuff I don't use. I don't have a more recent computer to where I can actually use the NVIDIA voice plugins that can do things like fix your voice during your broadcast. Also, cut out background noise and stuff like that. So other than that, I would say if you're in OBS 31, stick with that until you're able to make sure that they work out the bugs for it. And really, it's one of those things where you're not supposed to upgrade right away anyway. You're actually supposed to let the devs get everything worked out. And also realize that when they go to a new version, that some of your compatibility of your plugins will not possibly not work. So in the interim, for now, OBS 32 works. It's cool. Some of the plugins I had I didn't need anyway. So stick with 31 and then move to 32 when they get everything worked out. Michael Williams, White Label Consulting. Have a great day.